How to fix consent required on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix consent required on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to fix consent required on Instagram, you have to understand why this happens. This happens because Instagram wants all users to set up the two-factor authentication through an authentication first before you consider adding other devices for your account. And any additional devices may have to have authentication application set up before connecting to the two-factor authentication app. So if you've been trying to log into Instagram app but it simply says consent required, in that case it is just asking you to basically set up two-factor authentication. Sometimes what you can do is you can come to the profile tab, tap the three lines option, go to settings, and then you can simply go to the option known as security and so on. Once you go to security and everything else, you should be able to go ahead and basically reset your login details and so on. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically turn off two-factor authentication too. Once you've done that, you should be able to successfully fix the consent required issue. Now aside from this, it could also be able to fix this by maybe your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular and accordingly and so on. Last but not least, if it doesn't help, just make sure to long press and delete the Instagram app icon, and then make sure to go ahead and then reinstall it again as well. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically fix consent required on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.